Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Meitu app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Meitu and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.